Oh, uno, dos, tres, cuatro. You see that black boy over there running scared, his old man in a bottle. He done quit his 9 to 5, he drink full time, and now he's living in a bottle. See that black boy over there running scared, his old man got a problem, and it's a bad one. He ain't done pawned off damn near everything. His old woman a wedding ring for a bottle. And don't you think it's a crime when time after time after time people in a bottle, there's people living in a bottle. Listen to me, see that sister, sure was fine, folks, she started drinking wine from the bottle. She told me, the old man committed a crime, he's doing time, now she's hanging in a bottle. I seen her out there on the avenue all by herself, and sure need help from the bottle. I seen her, preacher man tried to help her, she cussed him out and hit him in the head with the bottle. They turned to me, they asked me, Gilda, don't you think it's a crime? No way. And time after time after time, people in the bottle, there's people showing up in the bottle. Give you another good example. You see that gent in a wrinkled suit there, he done damn near blown his cool to the bottle. He was a doctor helping young girls along. If they wasn't too far gone to have problems. But the offenders of the Dollar Eagle said, what you doing, man, illegal. Now he's in the bottle. And now we watch him every day. He's trying to chase the prisons away from the bottle. He turned to me, he said, "Get my hand now. Don't you think it's a crime? The way time after time, friends of mine in the bottle. There's people showing up in the bottle." Come on, hit it a lick one time, stick. Ever come looking for me, you know where I'm bound to be, in a bottle. Turn around, look around on any corner. If you see some brother looking like a goner, it's gonna be me. Sing the song. Na 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 na. Every now and now, every now and now, na 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 na. $1.09 a bottle of wine, $1.09 get a bottle of wine, $1.09 get a bottle of wine, $1.09 get a bottle of wine, a bottle. Yeah, all that I'm concerned about is a bottle. It can turn me inside out of a bottle. All I want, all I want, all I want, all I want, since I'm living on the bottom of the bottle. Enough.